Okay folks, just thought I'd post up a video of an R69s that I've just completed restoration on. It's taken me around about 6-7 months. I did post up a video before I started the bike, so you can see a before and after shot. So basically it's been a complete nut and bolt restoration from new spokes, polished rims, new tyres, brake pads, complete suspension, all cables, rubbers replaced, new wiring, obviously paint, pinstriping, the speedo's been restored, new bars, all the way through to the engine, replacing all the bearings, seals, going through the complete engine, slingers, heads have been restored, gearbox has been serviced, tail shaft, rear drive have been, the rear drive's been not only serviced but new bearings and seals, new exhaust, complete new exhaust system, and as I said, paint, pinstriping is done by a local guy here in Brisbane, and overall the bike has come up really well, and for all intents and purposes it's a brand new bike. So the owner's coming to pick it up in a couple of days time, and he has seen it and is very, very happy with the end result. And as I said, it's taken a few months only because a few things have come up in between. So what I'll do now is just give it a quick start to see how it goes. And there we go, another one's finished and ready for the owner to come and pick up. Thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.